Hi, welcome to Mancave Projects. So in this video we're going to be demoulding our tabletop pizza oven, which we filled in the previous video on the channel. Right, so I've already taken out the bolts from around the mould and I have tried to prise it away, the fiberglass away from the concrete. It does appear to be moving, so I thought, do you know what, I'll film it. I didn't want to film it if it was going to be an unmitigated disaster, because this is the first time we've actually used this mould, and I'd never made a mould before, and I think I might have made a few mistakes. So let's see. Oh, seems to be coming. I think this is too early as well, by the way. It's only been 2 days since I filled this. I think it needs more curing time than that. Okay. Right, so that, take this off here. So that is our pizza oven. It's not too bad. Don't forget, this is only the inside. What I think I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave this to dry maybe for 24 hours, and then I'll attempt to turn it over and take off the other part. I think the underside, you see that there, the underside splits into two. And I'm more confident of that coming away than I was of this inside shell. I think the inside shell should have been in two as well. But obviously I've never done fiberglass moulding before. Right, next part of the video then, which will be tomorrow, is I'm hoping to get that bottom part off. And I'm hoping that we end up with a decent shell for a tabletop pizza oven. Right, so it's time to take the back part of the mould, or the bottom part of the mould, off. It's actually held up quite well on that vibrating table. But again, I don't know how this is going to release. Might be a bit harder than I think. I think I'm going to need something a little bit more substantial than a trim tool. Right, so I've got a screwdriver. Obviously this is the first time trying to demould something like this. Never done fiberglassing before, so I don't know how. Oh, that's coming away. I say I don't know how brutal to be with it, or whether this is in fact normal. Seems to be splitting now. Oh wow, that's better. Again, I think I said it on the other part, it's coming away a little bit too easy for me. Normally when I do projects for the first time, all manner of things happen. Right, so let me just show you this before I split it. So the issue is actually the two halves of latex sticking together. So I'm wondering if it's because I left this mould for so long before I actually used it, and it's been out in all of the elements. Maybe before I did the first concrete mould for it, I should have taken it all apart again. So basically all I've got to do now is just split this latex membrane, if you like, down the centre, and it'll come away. As far as the latex coming away from the concrete, it looks like it's doing that really well. So just another few minutes, I think. Right, so I've split the latex. Let's take one side off. I'll just free the other side. Wow. Right, so let's have a look at what we've got. I am so pleased with that. The brick pattern has come out obviously in the mould. Yeah, we've got some blemishes here, but we can fill those in before we paint the pizza oven. Really pleased with that. Slightly less definition here, but it's still there. I am so pleased with that. That's brilliant. Wow. Oh, I forgot. So the chimney is here, I think. This is probably where, well, it is where the concrete has just seeped through. So I'm going to knock this out, and yeah, we're going to build a plinth or a platform and a floor for it in the next video. Right, so just show you what the inside of the mould looks like. So you've got that brick pattern on the two halves. Again, this is a membrane, a latex membrane. Wonder if, yep, so it comes off there like that. So that's a full latex membrane for it. As far as mould making, the first one I've ever done, I'm really pleased with it. Right, so that's it for this video. From the clouds above me, it looks like we're going to have another torrential downpour, so I don't want to get caught in that one. One's enough for any week. So the next video, I'm going to be building a plinth or a stand for this particular project, and also a cooking floor as well. So please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.